What's up YouTube? This is Daniel and I'm with Dominic today, and today we're going to install some lift supports we bought off of Amazon for the hood. Here we go, let's open it up, let's see what we got. Alright, so these lift supports are a little bit weak, which makes it really hard to work under the hood. So what we got is a package from Amazon for lift supports. Let's see what we can do today. So I guess I got a package in a package. Let's open this one up. And here they are. Simple enough. All you gotta do is get in here and pull this out. It'll pop right out. Clip back into place. If you value your fingers, do one side at a time. You don't want that hood to be so loose that it just slams down on you. So here we go, 2 new lift supports. Less than 3 minutes of time. I'm embarrassed to make an episode out of this. So whereas before the hood wouldn't stay open, now it opens by itself. So because this went so quick, let's find something else to shoot. So I've noticed that the parking brake is a little bit sticky. So we're gonna try to put some lubricant in there and hopefully it works. So we'll work it a little bit. Not sticky anymore. Let's find out how it works in the morning. While we're here, let's get those door hinges lubricated a little bit as well. It's gonna be hard to see. This stuff is really sticky and should cling to whatever you spray. So if you overspray like I just did, just wipe it away. So I mentioned earlier that the sunroof wouldn't close completely by itself. You would have to hold it and force close it. Let's see if we can find what the culprit is and let's lubricate it. So I choose to put some silicone paste on it. You let me know whether it's the right decision or not, but I'm just gonna go with my gut and say that's what it is. So let's see if it will close. Well, all this lubrication talk and it didn't do nothing. It's probably the sensor that detects that something is in the way, and I have no idea how to do it. I'll research it and I'll try to fix it next time. All this work and it was so simple. What I did is right here, I sprayed in some white lithium grease. You can see it coming out after a few closures. And there was garbage in there. A whole bunch of this in there. So after I cleaned it out, wiped away the excess. It's working great now. Don't put anything on here, make sure it's clean. Well, here we go, another job well done. I hope it lasts. Take care, guys.